Today is reverse flower dip day. I have my round 10-inch canvas and my, I think it's an 8-sided flower cup, and my pearl white mix. This is an anniversary flower. My parents were married 77 years ago today, so they're celebrating their heavenly anniversary today. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. This was an experiment using house paint for the reverse flower dip, aka Fiona flower. What I used for my colors were the Color to Go Sherwin Williams brand, and I used for the base also house paint, Color to Go, and Tricorn black. The only thing I didn't use house paint for was for the pearl medium, or the white color, which consisted of just white acrylic paint and Vallejo pearl medium, and the pouring medium, which was Floetrol and binder. So it's not my best flower, but it's still pretty. Has some pretty dainty effects, some lacing around the edges. So it's surprising that house paint can work as well. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And that's it for today. Enjoy the day. This was a test I did before I started. Actually it was after I mixed my paints yesterday. I put a dollop of white pearl down and then a dollop of color, and if it created instant cells, I knew that it would work just fine. So you can see the black is the base, and it worked, and then my three colors all worked fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.